How to remember words. On Wednesday, I returned to school, and at the start of the lesson, one of my classmates shares a common struggle. I've started reading more, and I can see improvements in my grammar, they say. But I have a problem. When I look up a word in the dictionary, I forget it after 10 minutes and have to look it up again. Can you help me remember words better? Our teacher nods and replies, "That's a great question. It's perfectly normal not to remember a word right away. On average, you need to encounter a word 5 times before it sticks. Sometimes, especially with verbs, it might take 10 or even 15 times." She goes on to explain that words go through 5 phases of learning. Phase 1. You see the word for the first time and don't know it, so you look it up in the dictionary. Phase 2. You come across the word again, but you still don't remember its meaning, so you look it up once more. Phase 3. You see the word and have a vague idea of its meaning, but you're not entirely sure. Maybe you guess it's a noun or a verb. Phase 4. You know what the word means when you see it in context, but you can't recall it easily when you want to use it. This is called your passive vocabulary. Phase 5. You can confidently use the word in conversations. Now, it's part of your active vocabulary. Our teacher emphasizes, you won't remember a word perfectly the first time. It has to go through all these stages. So don't feel discouraged if you have to look it up several times. With each encounter, you're moving closer to mastering it. This makes a lot of sense to me. I've had moments when I felt frustrated for forgetting a word I had just learned. Now I understand that it's all part of the learning process, and it takes several encounters to truly remember a word. After school, I head to football practice. Our coach informs us there's going to be a match on Saturday against a team from Cambridge. I'm excited because he wants me to play on the school team. I'm really looking forward to the match. Remember, when you're learning new words, it takes multiple encounters, around 10 times, before they become part of your active vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates on my learning journey here in London, and check out the playlist for the other parts of this series. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.